Oh. It's working. It's working.
Anichka, it's working.
It's working really well. We didn't even need alcohol for this.
We found a solution. Good thinking.
Oh, wow. It's going really fast.
Oh, wow.
Oh, geez. It's starting to smoke a little.
Ian, can you explain us what's happening?
So, from the fire, from the cotton ball is lighting up the heat tube, this little, no longer clear tube that is attached to this metal part. And inside of that heat tube, there is a little piston that pushes this pulley that is attached to this flywheel. And this flywheel is attached to a secondary pulley, which also has a flywheel. And that pulley is attached to this generator, which is powering this LED light.
What are we looking at then?
We are looking at a Stirling engine.
Can you explain me a little bit more?
It runs at approximately 50% efficiency, which makes sense given that heat energy isn't really one of the best energy sources, and also it goes through 2 pulleys and then a generator. So the output is not as much as the input. But it is very convenient because it can use pretty much any heat source. I was expecting that we would have to use alcohol with like this little candle wick, but no, we managed to just light a cotton ball on fire and it works really well.
What did you put on the cotton ball?
Olive oil.
And it worked?
And it worked.